In the SAFe, or Scaled Agile Framework methodology, the system architect is a pivotal role responsible for guiding the architectural decisions and technical direction of a solution, ensuring it aligns with the strategic goals of the business. This role spans both technical leadership and collaboration, helping to ensure the system's architecture is robust, scalable, and capable of supporting future growth. The system architect's influence extends across Agile Release Trains, teams, and various levels within the organization. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that the architecture is designed in a way that meets the needs of the organization while enabling efficient, high-quality delivery of solutions. One of the most significant aspects of the system architect's role is to define and communicate the architecture vision across the organization. This vision serves as a blueprint, guiding the development and evolution of the system. The system architect works with key stakeholders, including business leaders, product management, and other architects, to ensure the architectural vision aligns with business objectives, customer needs, and long-term goals. This vision is communicated clearly to both technical teams and non-technical stakeholders, ensuring that everyone involved in the development process understands the direction and purpose of the architecture. The system architect is responsible for ensuring technical alignment across the Agile Release Trains. They provide leadership in identifying and managing technical risks and dependencies, working closely with release train engineers, product managers, and other system architects to ensure that all technical decisions are coherent and support the larger architectural goals. In SAFe, it is crucial that the different teams working within an agile release train are able to collaborate efficiently on technical tasks, and the system architect ensures this by defining clear technical standards, best practices, and guidelines that maintain consistency and coherence across teams. Another critical area of responsibility for the system architect is the management of non-functional requirements, or NFRs. These requirements, such as performance, scalability, reliability, security, and maintainability, are essential for ensuring that the system can handle the demands of the business and scale with its growth. The system architect ensures that NFRs are addressed in the design and implementation phases, preventing issues that could emerge later in the development cycle. They work with development teams to ensure that NFRs are adequately prioritized and baked into the architecture from the start, rather than being treated as afterthoughts. For instance, if a solution needs to scale to handle millions of users in the future, the system architect will guide the teams to design it in a way that can handle such load without major redesigns down the line. During Program Increment or PI planning, the system architect plays a key role in ensuring that the technical strategy is integrated into the overall PI objectives. They work with product management to ensure that architectural enablers, technical tasks necessary to support the upcoming features and stories, are included in the PI plan and are prioritized accordingly. They help identify and clarify the technical aspects of the backlog, ensuring that the work needed to maintain architectural integrity is balanced with feature development. The system architect also supports the teams in identifying and addressing cross-team dependencies and helps prioritize architectural work that will enable more effective collaboration between teams. An ongoing responsibility of the system architect is to guide the evolution of the system architecture over time. This includes tracking progress against the architecture vision, identifying areas where the architecture may need to evolve due to changing business needs or technological advancements, and updating the architecture roadmap as necessary. They ensure that the system is adaptable and flexible enough to accommodate future changes while maintaining its integrity. For example, if a new business requirement necessitates integrating with a new third-party system, the system architect will assess how the existing architecture can accommodate this change without introducing instability or technical debt. A system architect also works to prevent technical debt from accumulating. Technical debt refers to short-term compromises made for expedience that can lead to long-term inefficiencies and increased costs. The system architect takes an active role in ensuring that teams are addressing technical debt regularly and not sacrificing long-term maintainability for short-term gains. They balance the need for new features with the ongoing evolution of the system architecture, ensuring that refactoring and other technical improvements are prioritized as part of the overall development process. This requires constant vigilance to make sure the system remains maintainable, scalable, and adaptable. Additionally, the system architect must ensure that the solution aligns with enterprise architecture and complies with corporate governance standards. This involves working with other architects at the enterprise level to ensure that the system fits within the broader organizational architecture, meets regulatory and compliance requirements, and integrates seamlessly with other systems within the enterprise. This requires a deep understanding of both the internal technical landscape and external industry standards to ensure that the solution is compliant and can evolve alongside other enterprise initiatives. In terms of technical leadership, the system architect serves as a mentor and guide for the teams working on the solution. They provide expertise on complex technical problems, lead architectural discussions, and help teams understand the trade-offs between different technical options. Their leadership ensures that the teams make decisions that align with the long-term vision for the system, rather than opting for solutions that might be easier in the short term but would complicate future development. In conclusion, the system architect in SAFe is integral to the success of any large-scale Agile initiative. They are responsible for defining and maintaining a cohesive architectural vision that aligns with business needs, ensuring technical alignment across ARTs, managing non-functional requirements, and addressing technical debt. Through their leadership, the system architect helps ensure that the architecture is adaptable, scalable, and sustainable over time, allowing the organization to deliver high-quality solutions that meet both current and future needs. By ensuring that the architecture evolves in a controlled, strategic manner, the system architect enables the enterprise to deliver value faster and with greater efficiency.